Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will be sharing my insight and knowledge about the energy chakra in a human body. If you are someone who's interested to know about energy chakra, about the spirituality, about the various energy centers in our body, and to know more about this yoga and its traditional cultures, this video would be a right video for you, and it would be interesting video for you. I've been practicing this yoga, pranayam, and various types of breathing practices from past several years, almost a decade. So in this video, I'll be sharing my insight and knowledge and understanding and my experience about this spirituality and the energy body what we have. So before jumping into this video, let me start talking about our human body. In our human body, there are major three parts of body. That is, first one is our physical body, which is physically visible with our naked eyes, and then it comes with the mental body, which contains the mental activities and the psychological and neurological parts of our body. Then it comes with the spiritual body or energy body. There are a lot of critics who claim that the spiritual body doesn't exist, it's just a myth kind of. But for them, the thing that I want to put forward as a proof is like the main proof for the existence of spiritual body is the continuous breathing what you have. Can you imagine a 10 minutes without breathing? I guess it would be difficult for everyone. So that's a great proof that spiritual body exists. Let me put an analogy here. Like when you die, you won't breathe, but still your physical and your mental body still exist. But you are not alive because your spiritual body doesn't exist. So this breathing and the spiritual body is directly connected. So today in this video, we are going to talk about this energy body or spiritual body. So in this spiritual body, it consists of various passages or pathway through which the energy is distributed throughout our body. These energy passages will join in several positions in our body, which is called as energy junctions or energy centers, which is also called as energy chakra. So today we're going to talk about this energy centers. So there are mainly 114 energy centers throughout our human body. So out of this 114 energy centers, there are 7 major energy centers which is associated along with our spinal cord. So once you activate these 7 energy centers, automatically your other remaining 107 chakras or energy centers will get activated. So now let me start talking about these 7 major energy centers what we have in our human body. The first chakra or the root chakra or the Mooladhara, which is located on a base of our body, which is physically located in between your anal outlet and your genital organ. And this chakra is blocked by fear towards anything. So when you start working on this chakra, you will get rid of the fear and you will become much more light and you will be much more calm and stable. From there, when you raise the energy to the next chakra, which is called as Swadhisthana or sacral chakra. This chakra is located on your lower abdomen, just in front of your spine. This chakra is blocked with blame and guilt within us. So if you accept the reality that it had happened in order to make a positive influence within you, this chakra will get activated and then energy will start flowing to the next chakra. Once this is activated, you will become much more passionate and also you will become a pleasure seeker. And from there, when you raise the energy to the next chakra, which is Manipuraga or also called as navel chakra, which is physically located 1.5 inch above your navel canal, in front of your spine. So this chakra is responsible for the willpower, and this chakra get blocked because of the disappointments and the blame what you create within yourself. Once this chakra is activated, you will become much more confident, and your self-belief will increase, and your ability, and you will basically become a doer in your life. From there, when you raise the energy to the next chakra, which is called as Anahata or heart chakra. So this chakra deals with creative part of you and also with love. You'll start loving yourself and towards others and towards everything. So this chakra is blocked with grief and also by the loss of someone. So love is a form of energy. When you realize this and when you accept that whom you had lost always exists within you forever, and you should get away with the pain, so then this chakra will get unlocked and opened. And from there, when you raise the energy to the next chakra, which is called as throat chakra or Vishuddhi. So this chakra deals with power. When I say power, it doesn't mean like the physical power. Human being can be powerful in a lot of different ways. So this chakra deals with the power. And from there, when you raise the energy to the next chakra, which is called as Agna, and which is located in front of your forehead, in between your eyebrows. This chakra deals with clarity and insight. When this chakra is activated, you will intellectually see everything more clearly. This chakra is blocked with illusion. The main illusion what we see nowadays is the mode of separation. Separation in terms of religion, in terms of caste, in terms of nationality, and in terms of races. So whatever we see as separate, in reality it's not actually separate, it's same. So this chakra deals and helps you to see the things as the way they are. That's why this chakra is called as third eye. The other two eyes what you have is elusive. It helps to see the things and to make you to see the things for your own survival. It doesn't help you to see the things as the way they are. So when you raise the energy to the Agna, it helps you to see the things as the way they are. That's why it is called as third eye. And from there, the next chakra is our crown chakra or Sahasrara. So this chakra is located physically outside your body, but within your spiritual body. So this chakra deals with the pure consciousness, and it helps you to connect with your higher self. So when you activate this chakra, you will simply bliss out. You will feel ecstatic. You just simply work on this chakra, you will feel ecstatic. When you activate this chakra, you will start going through the journey of consciousness. To raise the energy from the root to the Agna, there are various different ways. Through several yoga practices, through several breathing practices, there are a lot of different ways through which you can activate these chakras. I will talk about some of those practices in the upcoming videos. But to raise the energy from Agna to Sahasrara, there is no any direct way, or there is no any direct path. Only the way is to jump from Agna to Sahasrara. So when you jump the energy from Agna to Sahasrara, a tip here, a piece of information, and it's really important. You should not jump through the back line. You should jump through the front line, because on the back part of your brain you have a part called as default node, which is responsible for the illusion of self, and also responsible for ego. So you have to shut that, and in order to shut that, you have to raise the energy from Agna to Sahasrara through the friend line. So if you lead the energy and if you direct the energy from Agna to Sahasrara through the friend line, you will lead towards consciousness or super consciousness, or even you can say as God. Yeah guys, so those were the things that I had intended to say in this video. And there are a lot of different ways how you can activate all these 7 chakras. Like there are different types of breathing practices, various types of yogic practices, say like Kriya Yoga, Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga itself, there are various different types of Kundalini Yoga. So maybe I will try to make video about those things, how to activate all these chakras, maybe in the upcoming videos. And also I'm on a journey of these yogic practices, and it's kind of a journey. It takes time to activate all these chakras fully, and it directly depends upon the way how you do sadhana, and also the effort and the dedication what you put on your sadhana, and also the time period what you do your sadhana. So there are various factors to it, and the ultimate goal of all these sadhana and the ultimate goal to reach is enlightenment, of course. And if I had missed something in this video, or if I had sound differently, please forgive me. I believe that you guys will understand me on that part. And also, if you had liked this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know whatever in the comment section. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. And thanks a lot for everyone who had subscribed my channel, and thanks a lot for everyone who had watched until the end, and thanks a lot for your support so far. And yeah, so I'll talk to you again on the next episode, wrapping up this video with lots of love. Goodbye.